Hi everyone, I'm just going to show you how to make a couple of like a little mini decoration for Halloween. If I can separate my leaves out, because these are brand new, so they're all stuck together. So take some fake autumn leaves, and you want to glue them together like this. You could make this with real leaves if you wanted. It's just I find real leaves are too delicate. And then take a pine cone that you found. Just take the wire off because I had this on a wreath, but I've changed it for something else. Just debating where I want to put the glue. Put the glue so it goes around this hole in the centre. Put a fair bit on, be fairly generous. Hot glue's the best. And then place your pine cone in the middle. You could use these as like a little autumn decoration, as well as you know, for Halloween, because obviously they're quite autumnal. And then you could just use these anywhere around your house. So you could have like a little dish with, have a little dish with it sitting in on your desk, on your table. You could add it to your altar if you wanted just something little and autumnal on your altar, or just have these around the house. You could also put a candle on there. I wouldn't recommend a candle with these though, because of fire, so you'd need a fake candle. You could get a real, like a fake candle like this. It's one of the, oh, that one doesn't work. Let me get one that works. This is a pillar candle, fake one, and you could use these to decorate the front of your candle. That's what I'm going to do with this one. Now obviously this candle's really made out of wax. It's absolutely filthy. Yuck. Where's my baby wipes? So the only thing to bear in mind with these fake candles, they're lovely, but I don't know if I get dusty inside there. So what I'm going to do, I've got something on this. What have I got on there? Ew. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do sideways the front of my candle. There. And I'm going to take this and I'm going to glue it here. So I'm going to put a nice big blob of glue on. Now you've got to be careful, because obviously these candles are really made out of wax. So obviously it's going to melt the wax ever so slightly, but I find it just makes it stick better. And just hold that there for a few minutes. And if you press down, the hot glue will melt into the wax a little bit and just help it to stick better. So that's my one candle decorated for Halloween or for autumn. And then I can just have that on somewhere and it will look nice. And yeah, that's how to decorate a candle for autumn, for Halloween, for Samhain. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.